Enti that's why Jina Autisinya East constituency aya Kaswa Empress was that's Jina Honomo. Now the fight in the NDC party, the beef between the MP for Autisinya East, Honorable Flesna Koryoo, and the constituency chairman, Honorable Stephen Fosu Agyare Nabusia. It is escalating into an endless violence. Now, no, from the camp of Stephen Fosu Agyare, and now call you over back clash. I'm a mammy for the honor, demand this set. Stephen Fosu Agyare, I'm a patcho. If I send you back far, now call your home. I'm a busia media. So I just say, hey, my man, you don't know what I mammy. Our comment section. How you PENYAH broke media? Let's say any demo. Over like if you are a subscribe button, some back keep notification kind of latest updates. Some back to the wide you mammy. Our comment section. Over so. Not your first on your brush. You might come phone Nala money and up and the amount. Oh, USA, oh, UK. Open your sendings. Educo fee. Nala force. Oh, yeah, me fun into. Oh, you know, oh, do. Use my promo code in PENYAH TV. Ever send this echo fee. Number chow a cool $20 as bonus free. Yeah, the chokwa. Oh, send this echo fee no near chewska. Eh, Nala nkwa. Ana omu yes Agyare. Oh, panela ho abusia. Oh, tuachi. Baby, I have a boka. Fanala send this camera fee. Na yen chawade. Let's go to the story. Enra. And bro video call that time. In fact, na mo takrade. Mami nchirem. Enra se me video na me sha tale na mu ebu afu pa but mami nchirem. Enra me video me mam update me no. Na mo takrade. De ene se me call takrade koya de. E wo ho no mo. Takrade airport for me koya some process be ni some deals be e wo ho no. But unfortunately for me no, enso tobo me. How say me to go through Kumasi na koya but enso tobo me koya. Eti mi go through me ye bibia wi na say me ho afọ mata na afọ nti na masi ma dry na fan ase. I say washroom ho no mo. Eti na I was waiting say e be get it dried. And me am I say na I was waiting say e be get it dried. But na enwa no so no. Because me say e be tran car move from Takrade Abakumasi. A very long journey. Eti na wanted to give you some updates be so that at least me benya video me no be e dey ahemo how far enwa eti me sere mo ada. You say na mu be more can say Charlie this not nice this that. This not my style. I say this not my style and it will never happen again. But just that I just wanted to serve you people. That is why me take it that decision. Sorry for any inconveniences created. Let's go to the story. And to me brother updates I'm catching us okay Kaswa ho no mo a Autisinya East constituency ni mo. There's a fight in the NDC fraternity over there. The NDC group no mo ho no no. And to come be sort of ho no then to it is between Flesna Koryoo out the MP for that constituency and the constituency chairman on the ticket of NDC. Honorable Stephen Fosu Agyare. And then roll back to 2017. Abrana Flesna Koryoo onyo obia onware ye na opes contested as MP for Autisinya East constituency on the ticket of NDC. Okohu Stephen Fosu Agyare say stay Mr. Obuame. Stephen gas okay me aboa na me be say no hye hom no twempena e ba say ne countryman no mu ne tena ya o jizo mu tena ya ma support this kind na ho de nyina o ma ne cast e de ne campaign but unfortunately 2020 elections no lose ye e ma 2024 mu sa akoy o sa support bibia ba e mu no na Flesna Koryoo wa ware 2023 mu aware anu aware no kunu Unisa so USA or NDC one of executive members ni be in diaspora US Montana so that's on an energy. But after still, Stephen of Fosu Agyare no agreement say mebo aba me say no twemplent no. What could about forget to kuna say no. Yeah that's what no. Yeah that's what time. Now out of nowhere, and I say Flesna Koryoo Emma of Fosu Agyare man space. Now no NDC ye be ko omo executive elections eso. Na emu no ana Stephen Fosu Agyare say na adwene say obe contest beam as chairman. But also contest beam no. Flesna Koryoo sponsor will be send ba corner any hard eme two Stephen ade ana yi what e dey na Flesna Koryoo o ya me ma boa wo amaduru ba bia ke say o no o correspond obi abetume say na say oni mu asem o time yana and more to that no say contract bi aba slot bi aba was yede ma constituency chairman ya Flesna Koryoo on farmer chairman no dey amanukunu bibi ebe adode bi na o say ka constituency chairman sira na beda no Flesna Koryoo Agyare no da common nukunu. Just say obaye no wayi constituency executives no yomu nyina eku ba bi ono obi amfa ye say adwene no obi atrim ono obi amfa adwene ana bi ono nukunu nkwa na ebo. And I'm so Emma Fosu Agyare so ebuofu. I want to pick a form say ne sare on so me ba be contest na run as parliamentary candidate for Autisinya East on the ticket of NDC no. Miss no ko pick a form say or no any Flesna Koryoo ebe ko contest. But when you ma ego cost na eno ene ye Fosu Agyare eye na hi ene no so betra media so be kasa we obe grant interview no kaze mu no I don't say or come Phyllis at I just on why really pain. The Phyllis any careful you pen no why really that without to pass so out body doggy pain to ye.
We catch a mati. Now call no my girlfriend. Me can't win yama, me can't tender, me can't boku, mopa moment move be a mopes or make videos, so I make radio station. Mabo dua life actually be as a yes, now call your name a girlfriend. Ah, na be dino. What I say? Now
and some what audio no.
Good morning. Info this abusa for them planning for near title for more platform so. Chairman Stephen Agyare and I make a digital chairman. Me make a platform you should da. But because I must be nipa. Me nipa a moja ewo me mu. A me wa yere ewo mba. Na platform so da bia yeguma ni mase ne yese ne mafi eguma ni mase yese ne maguma ni mase. But now call your ekunu Yusuf. Also sido accounts Clifford I. Or platform is be kan sem bia onipa kono ye nyini mfiso. Ye good morning. Na oba be guma ni mase na ma yese na ma di party sika na ma yese. Chale me mo sika da o 2016 you lose election ho yaw na me de beji positions in be pecha man yadi. A pains and I be bo party no. Ah ma be bo party no. Sa be mpo na ko na minimum no. Ibe 2017 na ko na minimum no. 2018 June ye kokoto constituency election na me di ho na akoyo. Na me ba chairman mpo no na akoyo no gensemi we campaign ma chairman Habib. Ba ye wie no. Oba me nche be pa me cho ene me be ye fine. Me ka cha mati. Na akoyo no me girlfriend. Me can't win yama, me can't tender, me can't boku, mopa moment move bia, mo person make videos, so I make radio station. Mabo dua life actually be as a yes, now call your name a girlfriend. Ah, na be dino. What I say? Now
Now just answer me kan ye no. E na comedian say we say e ma ni bi no mo e wotu sia East constituency no. NDC former me form say there be. Honorable one can say what go man nyina ni mu ase. It no. Honorable must go. Enya sa de ne party no. Ebeche am omayam.
Go! Agyare must 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 go!
Pacho ni ya minister omumba suspend Agyare. Ya wa ha constituency ha ansa chairman Agyare ba but chairman Agyare ni time is too much. Wa ba be say party na chicha party mo say party no and suspend yan pa no kwa bi. Ye ni chairman ye ka so ye ni chairman bi mo. Yan ka say be fa chairman yo. Sankampa oye bema oye bema odi mu a me did so obey audio they abetu all the platforms to say only your MP ada nti ye free you na chairman ye free national chairman ye free mami Lodina ye free mami Voice say yes from the all the MPs amu yamba ye kwa mamba nde ya ye yamba ye ya batan ye free ye mami Lodina biem ye mami Lodina ye free ni biem sadana yama 7 days no say auntie mo ye papa bi e be ma yakoma ato ye ma ye be naked say ka so for the mati yenka yetimi ye bibie bi ye be naked ni ade aba ne office ho sa na ye pese
Ye nyabru ko. Ye nyabru ko. Ye nyabru.
am national unity someone ye bibi afawo ayama wo 7 days ye be ye ho fi e ko to
me say ye da sorry ya ye ti audio bi ene na mu wie mu say yam papa Stephen Agyare wo ye constituency chairman ya yen e mai ni ye de ne ba power odi audio bi abeto so say ye maame ye MP papa ba ko Phyllis na Koryoo okuno yam papa Stephen Agyare ye de ne ba power say constituency chairman say wodi ye maame Phyllis na Koryoo one na ye empamu agro ye nso so ye mma ye delegates ye de omu nyina ba power ye nimu se enye nokre na se mpo ye nokre mpo a yan de na nka ye nimu se enkola nketenkete mpo sa asem we nka omu na omu beka na nka nkonkoye se ye papa ana ye leader woda ya no a nka wokasa ye nyina ye tie no na no na asa asem we ego se efiri ba enti sa asam a ye papa ye chairman Stephen Agyare ode ba betu udwa eye audio we ya me ka say uko various social media asem na duru ho enti sesi aye opponent stations ni nyina duha ena no pa wei aye obatampa station omubusu bo sa audio no
Iti sesi ano sempemfo.
Na enso ho a entokwa ni ntwai. Oko the camp of Felixina Koryoo and the camp of Stephen Agyare. Stephen Agyare camp e bo attack no. Now Felixina Koryoo fans as we communicators e bo defense. Ofo Agyare camp e trust Felixina Koryoo ba e onye adwuma bia.
2020 there was no name like Yusuf.
Yusuf near wire.
A certain man who claims to be the husband of the MP.
No, stop that.
No, that's what it means.
No, stop it.
No, that's what it means. He is waging. He is waging a war. He has been waging a war. No, I'm telling you. Yesterday, somebody came to my DM.
Stop it.
Somebody comes to no. You can't. No. Listen. Listen.
Hold on.
Listen.
Stop it.
Listen. What I'm saying. What I'm saying.
He claims to. No,
Okay, fine. Me, listen.
So
I've seen.
No,
the name Yusuf.
No, I want you to retract.
The name Yusuf.
Hold on.
Happened to be.
Hold on, Koryoo. I want you to retract that one.
That one.
He
Which
said
one is that?
he claims to be a husband.
Okay. He's a husband.
Yes, thank you.
No, ni picture him then.
For Sonyanko.
Over picture him no. Na them country na dey na waba. Men they all affect the grassroots. Now what even belongs to them, they don't get it.
And the confusion.
All this confusion, all this brouhaha. And I mean, if I were
there, because on 1 year executive member
now,
of the
you know about how Kumsin would die for how many years?
How Kumsin 3 times or 3 times?
12 years. In Nikuna. Did you ever see the husband?
Me, I know.
Did you ever see the husband in any political rally?
On your part of.
Did you ever see the husband in any political rally?
No.
Did you ever see the husband sitting in a meeting with the party executives? So why is our own different? What I'm asking, why would you poke your nose into somebody we have brought? You have a wife to deal with at home. We have MP to deal with in the constituency. It's not part of executives. When you branch member, what?
It didn't say Yusuf, no, MP Nukuna division of a party. I don't get
because the posturing, the conduct, and everything that we try to do, that we want to do with our MP. He's the one scattering everything. But you know, so what you know from CCI, you be okay.
As a man can hear you, will be here, no.
Oh, there's all now you know could make nature. We are nursing, no could call pan and never pan Libya. And I will be out on brew room to talk about nature. No, has a different portfolio. Let her work. Now, bottom line. So if nothing at all, you should learn to appreciate the leader of the constituency.
And then I'm truthful.
Now, I say you choose kind of branch executives. Or brother, Mr. Marcos send his camera to two branch executives why one nomination and I have him to me and I better make something.
I some now work on.
I better make then.
Who force the MP in no quaffo.
Now, no quaffo there, I damn training, maybe who are the MPs. They sign a check. Went to the party executives.
If you are one who's can one.
Now that mean one. Ah, make us if you don't that mean one.
We are part of the election.
They try to quit.
You're part of them.
But I'm part of the council executives, and I'm there, and I see what happens, and I participated. So what's your chair? Then my neighbor did not supposed to Cascasano. I'm far with the material.
Now, you see, a cassette, Agyare, so far receipt.
We present it. I send the money. Present it. I have it. I present it. Mama, secretary, producer, simple. Secretary, they are witness to it. The end director of elections, Muntari Agyare. They are witness to that. I'm just kind of man. I'm pleased, kind of coin.
Right.
As I say. So what I'm saying is simple. Let nobody say it anywhere against the delegates, against the branch executives, that they worked against the MP, because it took the hard work of the branch executives to go every household, door to door, in Sum, Agyare, to get us where we are. And he said, you are very ungrateful and you must be ashamed of yourself.
So the TNC say, well, the TNC chairman, you're at the Agyare enemy
directorates or party office to use that money to pay for what the nomination forms for all the branch executives. No wonder MP so through those guys what they let about trouble. The MP is paying for the nomination of the branch executives. The question is, I challenge them today. Most go to Mahana.
No, say.
Whom did they pay the money to? No one other than Okroma.
Chairman, 600 million say Yemfentia all the branches.
Chairman calculated every money how much it cost. Yes.
And a MP also any team.
So chairman and the executive, you call meeting.
So and a MP need
you call meeting pay and a fun dance and a fun by 2 o'clock.
So much yes.
You just can I send the money.
At my party
to election directorate.
Okay, so what we saw now almost MP first.
They haven't received any money, can be aware.
The MP in 2 years.
But you are circulating social media all over the place with the flyers. You paid money. Whom are you deceiving? And then because say now part in the braba and share but there. Obia a contest of branch you must pay your dues, not less than 4 years dues. Before you can be in good standing to contest. 4 years will be a month to 2 cities. And I could be a calculator for 48 months or 90 cities. Now, papa, that's an MP, them are over food warrior now. They are first time as MP in Parliament who are selfless. Like I judge that this money, 90 cities, I'll pay for every branch executive who has already filed for his nomination for. Period. By a power or no, Mobi and Kado Kotu on this year also go and do flyer. What are you doing? What kind of counterproductive is this? As I say, so basically, what we are asking for is simple. The NDC drives on principles. And principle is that there must be truthfulness, there must be accountability, there must be probity. And say, Kadema Eboniaye. So be a demand, and first cash, now Niska. Not the bomb them brand Kadema Eboniaye. You are ungrateful. And even Bible hates ungrateful people.
Why are you ungrateful?
If an MP, a president, that's a chairman, you born who brand or do cocoon. No cruise them gabba. Nasha called away other than him. Now I should need panel resources compared to your own resources.
Now 2024. More
2024.
Now Koryoo.
Campaign have a campaign of mine. I'm campaign Chairman one year. You chairman campaign team or saying the constituency had a campaign team led by about 5 different leaders. I was part of Chamajaro's team. Every household, every night, every evening, it was unabated, day and night.
Okay.
Baby Mayekodumpa is a strong code for people who had the right to contest you in primaries, which is the about because they're also party members. They qualified. They came. But still, the man remained cute, remained quiet, stood behind you. Now, after we have gotten our candidates after the primaries, we will have to rally behind the one that the grassroots has given us. Me, I left my job. Those that have money, they'll put in money. Those that have that, they put in time, effort. We lost lives. Don't you remember? People became injured. We had casualties. As I say, now upon all this, we know that we have 5,000 plus votes to close. So we need to go extra mile. So Chairman Nico campaign just said, Kobe, let's go. There were extra 5,000. Then you say it will close. And Sana, your burden, it will be queen. Now make us say, okay, in him there, 2020, President Mahama unable to win. It was less than that of Honorable President Koryoo in the votes. That shows you the kind of job you were at Chamajari and the team were. Then mentioned, you have 2024. Now you have to abandon 2020 year to abandon empire upon all this difficulty coming in. The edge too many wouldn't have this were in a position. Now we are a two could get a big bribe. The master me a can soon. Now Koryoo must show appreciation to the grassroots. Because in my adult grassroots now, you will not be waging war through some people that are not relevant to your cause. You must show them appreciation. But it's not about constituency more. You must let the constituency know. Separate BB, let the constituency know. Again, says I'm a Crawford. Last year, you just saw I'm Crawford over 250 jobs. Me, my word, I haven't seen anybody.
250
people. I haven't seen.
And one more.
I haven't seen that. So the man. Now, content executives now, because it's here. So they need the moral grassroots now. Certainly, you will be able to communicate through the touches. Now, let me tell you something. As an NDC, every NDC person is a Rollins person. You know that? And Rollins has a principle, a guiding principle. We believe in probity, accountability, social justice, fairness, selfless. There's about 9 of them, 9 principles. So you can't tell me that you belong to NDC. You believe in Rollins' ideology, a socialist party, and you can't work with these principles. Where is the fairness? Where is the selfless?
Still 100%.
Now, say a pede, constituency, former MP and MPP camp. Robert Harkomson. Some over few Okruma. Or Sasso to my passassi. Okay, the best party office now under a party, a human wire when you know. One country, maybe what, or Pecorosi office still more. Yeah. In the now out of power, no, said the office is still for the MPP, right? There's a kind of in there by what a common fund. What about money? I said, this officer. This is what I'm not.
The office now, we see.
Sir, come on, horn, so, 7 so. Because it's my fee. Not anywhere. I'm in some MP. Will I be able to use it? One is for common interest.
I don't feel betrayal.
Total betrayal. You've been betrayed. But you see, the truth remains the truth. And let's know that every NDC person, it doesn't matter the size, or your fiafia, or your bodai, or your abade. One thing that Rollins give us is courageous. We are courageous and we are bold. NDC may be fearless. And we are not scared to tell people the truth. Now, Mami Kwasam Kodin.
Now, I can't pass it to say, or buy and why you Juma. Let you an ebony 24-hour economy. No, ebony.
Be said, MPs or among of Juma, no, no, word. Nipa Baku crown or man Juma. A nipa a man Juma could be wasn't a bufuya and a fancy comedy. The bufuya or call a press conference. The atosu me no send nipa no fin word. Your friend Lewis, Todo, Wabaha, Ebi Crow Abada, or a communicator.
Okay.
Miss that position, you can see the mommy, I'm sure. You have far more be answer because at least me, you be a crack cram, Miss Akomano. You have far more be answer. This position, me jam mobi, or no, or cocoon press conference. Omra wo abra ye campaign MP. Ye ko radio so ye ko TV so ye free radio. Ye press conferences or party office. You never showed up.
I see.
You never saw you. What money did that? O money did cry na wakamukum. Cry ye campaign. E money dino. O bani ye say o my placement. Oh my placement. Me can me boss the lali bamu as the man me coin them started copying FM mini CK man kasim. Because no be any or MP no PC no asem. O be any or company my PC no.
Guy be no a teacher. Bibi Jack Masu. Me nim so oba kan no a.
Omo nyina omo bo MPD and omo camp you sem to block you.
I see.
Just because
Jack Masu called me some time ago.
MP wasem. Minia Brakofi. Sani mo nyina koso enti sa guy no Lewis no or ye ward member of Adam Nana and your friends or your grassroots member or your delegate or your party member enti ye the man e boni she nipa bia honorable Felice na Koryoo bra wa bre ye de no ko 3 days oba no money banufuo nipa ye de no ko 2 ka ho no say juma ba yemfa ma wo ko bi wo sina wo di PC na terms atan wanye campaign man no nipa na oni ni kodam no ejuma ba onya no mfa ma wansa odi amasa nipa no one say your friend say me refini di ni kakra say Muhammad say Hamza
I see
omo di say juma na man say onyansa ye nia ba ko a che say omo prepare omo dem no omo nkofo bibi ba omo yesi etumi di mo mansa ebedu obi aso ye ne kakra mi se ni nya bia mi se bedu mi so omo yi start
adwuma ye
Debbie omo yi start grassroots no against the MP say omo say MP no no omo say ni wi a o de ever dey say sa PC position no ambition na o say constituency chairman o say o contest MP no eye contest obetumi contest it is o say MP no say party ni di wi na obewi ni primaries na no de obeba be frey ya kan say ye medwane mu ni ye campaign me no ka say
Yen yeti say Mustafa Bandi. Ebe can say every month be on constituency be 20,000 cities. Say sikano e bomb ho chamaji e pocketi oyi 10 city oyi 100 cities mo bia na che say obon ho safo ni so ya de ma say sikano ba mo ho si yesi mo fanye grassroots adwuma mo fanye adwuma constituency no mu ndika mo konam koya esa mo say incite grassroots against the MP there be and what you communication officer acting fancy comedy every month you amount 2,000 cities if your friend is saying your national communication officer in the office say fire farmer communicators are able to radio obi bahanu ma obefuka obi be free radio and so nya credit 2,000 cities no pocket udi omo bia 1 city I see boys no more 1 city it omo complaining now ka say MP and your friend inside him against the MP no person say 2,000 cities the more every month. Let be a communication officer. So 2,000. Memma me obi mobile money account ne bema. Our year communicator now your friend is saying serial caller and a tester. Now every month we must say this scanner mom no more check. They talk credit. They talk data because it is meant for that. It's not meant for your personal use. 20,000 now every month no. 50 time 20,000 started by no.
2,000.
Has they accounted for the that money?
Okay.
Or can accountability and probity have they accounted for that money? It's not accounted for. You're accounting for that money. 20,000. I'm accounting for scanning. And I'm hoping that your constituency elections are. I'm for business questions. No, you may demand for accountability. On my account or no communication officer scan on demand 2,000 series every month. Main communication officer on money 3,000 series every month. Some of our more communicators or constituency, we will demand accountability for that money na eba funds na eba constituency.
I see.
Mini abema.
E cost one make dig it. Eba busan we abaya semsebe. NDC e move to ewo out to senior east constituency. Ehen ena ebe kwa kwesi. De besi bia no hanum as host. Ewiwemu. Amwati ase. Until then, I PENYAH block media. Eye nala for send is kabrefi. Ne be $20 for free. Background.